Hello everyone, welcome to a demonstration of this transistor ladder filter I've made. The filter is based on the classic Moog design, but has some interesting features implemented, I think. You can access 6, 12 or 18 dB per octave via potentiometer or via CV. You have 2 inputs for audio, 2 inputs for CV. All of them have their own attenuator. A whopper octave input, a drive indicator LED, and a compensation for the loss of bass frequencies in high resonance settings with this potentiometer here. There are 3 jumpers on the back. They can normalize signals internally, so you can normalize input 1 to input 2, the output to CV2, and the input signal to CV1. The whole filter is 8 HP wide and open source. I would like to show you now some filter sweeps. We have a sawtooth coming from Platts, a slow LFO opening and closing the filter, and that is your output. The filter is not overdriven, and I will just play around with the settings so you can have an idea how that filter sounds. Here we go. Alright, as you can hear, you lose a bit of bass frequencies when you increase the resonance. So I'd like to show you how the compensation works. So this is without compensation. This is with. Without. And with. So now I would like to show you some more musical examples. All the sweeps before had no compression or EQ. Now I have added some compression to the signal. Platts is still playing some sawtooth for us. We have short decay envelopes, and this is the output signal. As I said, there's some compression on it. Let's hear this. So as I said before, there are 3 jumpers in the back. The first of them can help you to overdrive the filter because it normalizes input 1 to input 2. So this signal is not able to overdrive the filter, but if you use the second input, you can heavily overdrive it. Let's have a listen. original setting. The second jumper can normalize the output signal to CV2. This allows you to have easily access to self-FM. So let's have a listen to that one. This leads to very gritty sounds and can get really dirty in higher settings. Oh yeah. Alright. Okay. And the last one is easily usable if you put your envelopes in the second input, and then you can use in CV1 to have some oscillator FM, so the input signal is normalized to CV1. Let's hear it. Alright, so back to the original setting. I would like to introduce some delay and finish with some more musical things. So I hope you liked that little demonstration. If you want to build one, the project is open source, and I'm happy for any feedback, and see you soon.